Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, saying, and it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I want to understand what I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You don't see how me roll? Me a won't leave a girl upon that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man a fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes you never. I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. I see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Because guess what, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm mean control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. No. No, I never do that. How? I'm not getting home tonight. Me a come now. Man. Me a come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did it on the phone, the General?
What do you mean who me I talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her with one situation. So what? I can't help out people in a situation.
But General, I'm not really say nothing too bad. I'm just concerned because I hear somebody talk about wash plate and you know wash clothes. You know I come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still, because I don't expect the eye for your woman to work more so.
Wait, eh? What you talk about? Give me a second again, man. What you say?
That's some go on country there, man.
What you said, you know ready?
Come see, you must bless some again. Yeah.
This one come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
How?
No man, no. Exercise.
Yo, here we go. You have to go do road, you know, so. My grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
So, we link up, yes sir.
Yeah,
if I don't show me, we can reason about the situation again. Yes sir.
Alright.
Yes myself.
You know, man, nowadays, I bet you a young man that go call me now. Watch him run.